Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I will be sharing recipe for Malai chicken tikka over rice. It's a combo with balanced fat, protein, fiber and carbohydrates. At first, let me update the weather in our location. Here we thought we are in spring and soon we will be going into summer, but all of a sudden over the weekend it started to snow. Not only snowing, but also the weather became little bit colder also. No worries, in a week or two it will be okay. Now let's get started with our recipe. The recipe today I am going to share is the chicken tikka, that is Malai chicken tikka recipe, which I prepared for the iftar like a rice combo. For preparing Malai tikka, I have taken chicken breast piece, bite-sized pieces. I have cut them. 1 teaspoon of chili paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 full lemon juice. Little extra you should add over here. That is going to be your meat tenderizer. Nicely give it a good mix and keep it aside for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, it will release its own liquid. Now we will take only the chicken pieces in another bowl. I have taken 1 heaped spoon of yogurt, that is hung curd it is, and 1 full cup of cream. To that I just added simple ingredients, chaat powder. Another thing is the garam masala, that is zafrani garam masala, and pepper. That's it. Nicely mix it and keep it overnight or at least for 2 hours. Now after marinating, I am using steel skewers. I make lot of this type of kebabs, so I keep them always. Otherwise you can use any use and throw skewers as well. While piercing these chicken in the skewers, always remember you should nicely keep the chicken pieces together, sticking to one another, so that the heat will not escape and it will get cooked through inside. Rice is a very simple recipe. I have taken basmati rice, 1:2 water level, salt to taste, little bit of oil, carrot and beans. That's it, our rice will be ready. Now let's prepare our white sauce. For that I have taken 1 pod of garlic and I have taken little bit of fresh cream. To that I am just adding pepper, salt, and this is tahina paste, that is sesame seed paste. Nicely you will be giving a good mix in the blender and we will come back and add some more ingredients. Now I will be adding olive oil and again I will be adding some more cream also to loosen up this sauce. This white sauce is very delicious and tasty. This gives life to our combo, that is chicken tikka over rice. Definitely give it a try. Now this sauce will last for 2 to 3 days for me. You can store it in fridge also up to 4 days. No worries, it will be fine. You can use this sauce for any kebabs, any tikkas, or even for any wraps too. Now let's fry the kebabs. For that I am going to take little bit of oil. Along with that I have taken little bit of butter too. Butter will give extra taste to your tikka. Definitely add. This is cast iron tawa, so in this the heat will be extraordinarily high, so for these type of tikkas this tawa is excellent. Always keep splashing the butter on the kebabs. This way it will keep it moist, juicy and tastier too. Nicely give it twist turns and fry from all sides. Now your kebabs will be ready in no time. It will take approximately 20 minutes for me for frying these kebabs by turning it every 5 minutes. I am just sauteing some onions also by the side. Today I will show you 2 ways of serving these kebabs at any time in your house. You can also bake these kebabs, but very simply I am showing you it over the tawa. I am serving it with 1 layer of rice and on the other side with whole lot of salad, and our kebabs are really awesome and juicy. It will give extra taste by adding up our very tasty and delicious white sauce and red sauce as well. Red sauce is a store-bought one, but white sauce is made at home. You can try that recipe. Another plating is the same way with lot of salad and layered with the fried onions, and this is for the low carb lovers. This plate will be awesome. Hope you all liked this recipe. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I will be back with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.